Alright, fellow Vikings, welcome back. This time, we're feeding the chickens some beetles. Okay, so one of our neighbors, they gave us some Japanese beetles to feed to our chickens and our guineas. They really like them a lot. We've had them since yesterday afternoon, and we wanted them to die, but most of them have, but some of them are still alive. So let's see what they do. Oh. Jesus, stinks in here. Ready? Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Okay, so it seems like they're really enjoying these beetles. I think they're going to be getting some more today. So yeah, let's let them enjoy their breakfast. So we'll see you next time. Bye.